What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We have the Apple AirPods Pro 2 or second generation. I covered some things during my unboxing video, so I'm gonna make this short and sweet and answer the simple things you guys need to know. Basically, if you need to get these or if you want these over the last generation, or if you never had AirPods before, I'm going to give you my honest review of this product. But before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. I appreciate that as well. We got Spidey in the building. He's our official timekeeper, director on set, everything, all that good stuff. Don't touch me. I got him. I need that. We're going to get on that later. But anyways, we have the AirPods right here. We have the iPhone 14 right here. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I'm gonna just hit on the main points that you guys really want to know. The price. The price for these bad boys, $249. Is that a good price for this? For what you're getting? The answer to that is yes, absolutely. Good price for what you're getting. Next thing, the design. The design is pretty much very similar to the previous models, but now the AirPods themselves are more, compact. The stem on the AirPods is actually smaller. It's pretty compact, so I really like that part about it. You got the black cutouts. Not gonna go into detail too much of what they're for, but you have the new black cutouts that are visible on the AirPods. There's still no, new color options besides white. You only have this white. That pretty much sucks because I like an all black AirPod. That would be really nice. Whatever, it is what it is. So really quick, the connectivity. The connectivity is really quick. You close it, it's gone. This is how quick it connects. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 4 seconds. It's connecting. It's already on there. As far as the case itself, you have the cutout for your lanyard, or you can put something here to, hold on to your actual AirPods case. You have the speaker for, your charging indicator noise and also that siren thing. You have the indicator LED right here when you're charging or when the AirPods actually connect. You can actually customize it and get your Memoji or whatever else you want, ingrained on there as far as your name, initials, phone number, whatever you want to put on there. You can get that on the outside of the case as well. So speaking of features, the siren to locate this case, I really like it. It's pretty cool. And if you click Find My, but it'll basically direct you to where your AirPods are. Now this works with other features with other Apple products as well, but it basically gives you kind of turn-by-turn directions to find your item, your Apple product. Along with the features of the AirPods, you have essentially MagSafe on here. It connects to MagSafe chargers. It'll hold up on it. You have wireless charging. You also have charging through the USB Type-C port right here. And the Apple Watch charger now charges the AirPods case, which is a new feature. Didn't have that before. Another feature, improved noise cancellation. I have never been so impressed with noise cancellation in my life than with these bad boys right here. The noise cancellation on here is top tier, bar none, the best in the game, I would say. I literally go to the gym, I play basketball, all you hear is doom doom skr 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 skr, from the people moving their sneakers, skr skr skr, boom boom boom, the basketball dribbling, a lot of noise, a lot of people talking. I turn the noise cancellation on, and I'm telling you, no lie, I hear nothing but my music. Nothing. That is like overpowered right here. Overpowered. So props to Apple for incorporating that feature and doing it so well. So also you have the spatial audio. So these are connected right now. So I'm going to put one of these in my ear. I have a split opinion about this spatial audio. All right, now I'm listening to music, some Lil Wayne, the GOAT. All right, so I go to this spatial audio. I am not a big fan of this. I don't really care for this feature. You move your head, it kind of adapts to where your head's moving. That's cool and all, but it kind of distorts the sound because you move, one direction as opposed to the other, and it shifts the sound that way. Now, in theory, that sounds good, but in real world application, it lowers the sound in the other ear so you can get primarily that sound coming from where you're turning your particular ear to. So it kind of makes the sound uneven. So like I said, in theory it sounds good, but in actuality it just sounds weird when one earphone's producing more sound than the other one. Now on the other hand, transparency mode. I love transparency mode. When I'm out cutting the grass or whatever, or playing basketball and I have noise cancellation on, and then somebody walks up to me because for some reason they want to talk to me when I have my headphones in, knowing damn well I have my headphones in, which means I don't want to talk, they come to talk to me. So I hold the button, you know, the side swipe gesture on here, I hold it, and then it turns on the transparency mode, so I can still hear my music, but it allows for that outside sound to come in. So it's basically the opposite of noise cancellation. I really like this feature because it comes in handy often when I'm doing something or it's loud or whatever and I need to hear something in particular. Say you're at the airport, you need to hear if your flight is delayed or about to come in, whatever the case is. You still want to listen to your music, you can turn that transparency mode so you can still enjoy your music but listen to your outside surroundings. The actual build of it is slippery. That's another thing I didn't mention. The design, it's great, it's small, it's compact, but it's slippery. So that's why I bought this don't touch me case right here, because I don't want you to touch my AirPods, just to give me a little bit more grip. So overall, the features are great. The noise cancellation, great. The transparency, great. The spatial audio, I can see the use for it, but I don't really care for it. I'm not a big fan. But the actual quality of these AirPods themselves, the case, it's wireless charging. You can charge it with your iPhone or Apple Watch charger, MagSafe, all that good stuff. I will give these a 9 out of 10. And the only reason I'm giving these a 9 out of 10 and not a 10 out of 10 is because I finally realized, you guys, why people who do complain about these. These are very tiny and they slip out of your ear. I wish the fit was a little bit better, because if I'm doing something and these slip from my ear, it takes away. It causes a problem for me. I don't like it. Spidey, I know you agree. But other than that, thank you guys for tuning in. I definitely appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you. Peace.